Welcome to Full Course Online. In this lesson, we'll learn how to insert pictures and online images into a Word document. First, let's start with a picture saved on your computer. Go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, and choose this device. Browser for picture on your device. Select your image and click Insert. The picture will appear right inside your document. Now, let's try an online picture. Go again to the Insert tab, click Pictures, but this time choose Stock Images. There are many categories, both premium and free stock images are given. Browse the categories or search in the search bar. Select the image you like and press Insert. This is a great way to use professional, copyright-free images. Third way to bring image to your document if looking for picture on internet. Go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, and choose Online Pictures. Using Bing search, it would display many categories of pictures. Select the desired picture and click Insert. Once your image is inside Word, you can resize it. Always drag from the corners to keep the proportions correct. If you only drag from the sides, the picture may look stretched or squashed. You can also crop an image. Select the picture, go to Picture Format Contextual tab, and click Crop. Drag the handles to remove unwanted parts. That's how you insert, resize, and crop pictures in Word. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more Word lessons.